Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to give you some tricks to solve solubility product and solubility. From the chapter of equilibrium, it is the part of ionic equilibrium. Now solubility. Now solubility. What is solubility? We can denote as S or X. There is no specific, we can denote S or X. What is the definition of solubility? How can you remember? Number of moles of salt, number of moles of salt dissolved in a particular volume. What is solubility? Number of moles of salt dissolved in a particular volume. Suppose S is equals to N by V. That is number of moles of salt dissolved in a particular volume. If 1 mole dissolved in 1 liter. If 1 mole of a salt is dissolved in 1 liter. This is salt, this is water. Is mole by liter. That is, the unit is mole per liter. The unit is mole per liter. Mole per liter. You can write like this. It is the solubility of a salt which is insoluble salt. We can use insoluble salt for the solubility. The insoluble salt is used. How much salt is dissolved in the particular volume? How much the salt is dissolved in the particular volume? For example, AgCl. The given salt is AgCl. This is the salt AgCl. Silver chloride. AgCl, this is solid, is dissolved in water. Gives Ag plus Cl minus. That is aqueous solution. It dissolved in the water to form the aqueous solution. So I will write aqueous. The given example is AgCl. The salt is AgCl. When the AgCl, the salt AgCl reacts with water to form Ag plus and Cl minus, then the product is K is equals to Ag plus Cl minus, of which it is dissolved in water. Taking AgCl does not react with water because it forms PPT. So we are going to calculate how much amount of Ag ions and Cl minus ion going to dissolve in water. So taking to this side H2O to form Ag plus Cl minus. So knowing AgCl gives AgCl plus H2O gives Ag plus Cl minus, right? Ag plus Cl minus. The solubility for the AgCl is S. Then the solubility for Ag is S. Here Cl minus is also S. Taking this 2 value in this reaction, you will get S into S, right? For product, solubility product, we are finding the solubility product KSP, solubility product. Then the KSP is, you can write, I am writing here, you can say K solubility product of AgCl is S square, right? Then S solubility we are going to find then root of solubility product. See, did you get? I think you can get to solve solubility product. How you are going to solve the solubility product for the given and salt. So many salts are given, you can solve like this. See, moving to the question, KSP of the value, the solubility product of AgCl is 10 raised to minus 4. Find its solubility. You should find the solubility. You should find the solubility. Now, as I said, AgCl gives, in first I have explained, AgCl gives Ag plus of Cl minus. When it is dissolved in water, it gives Ag plus and Cl minus. Then solubility product of AgCl gives Ag plus of into Cl minus. See, suppose this is S, then this is S, this is S, then S into S. You will get S square. Okay, solubility product is S square. Then solubility, we want to find the solubility. S is equals to root of solubility product. Root of solubility product. The given solubility product is 10 raised to minus 4. Root of 10 raised to minus 4. Then the answer is 10 raised to minus 2 mole per liter. See how easy to find the solubility product of AgCl is given. You can easily find the solubility of the reaction of the given salt. So you can solve the numbers of question, finding this the way to solve the question. Now moving to the other question, CaF2 of solid is dissolved in water. Yes, is its solubility. Is its solubility? What is the solubility is? Solubility is given. Solubility is S is given. This is given. You should find the solubility product. Find the solubility product. Now, taking CaF2 dissolved in water to form Ca2 plus 2F minus. Right? How many moles? 2 moles? 2F minus. Then, so see here, 1 more dissociate S. Then, here S. Solubility. Here also yes. Here, if 1 mole is there, 1 S, then for 2 moles, that is 2S. You can write here 2S. Now, coming to the solubility product, finding the solubility product, Ca2 plus into 2F. Right? Ca2 plus is S into 2F is 2S. 2S. If the stoichiometric ratio is there, it should give here raised to 2. Right? Raised to 2. S into 4S square, then that is 4S cube. The solubility product is 4S cube. Understood? Easily you can find the question. If the question is given, easily you can solve the problems easily. Now I am going to show you how to find the solubility product using the tricks. Now, trick 1. Trick 1. If x raised to x, y raised to y into s raised to x plus y. If the salt is given like this. If the salt is given like this, or if the salt is in the form of AB2 type, in the form of AB2 type. The salt is in the form of AB2 type. Suppose substituting the value, if x is equals to 1, y is equals to 2. Then by substituting in this trick, you can get x 1 raised to 1 into 2 raised to 2 into s raised to 1 plus 2. Then the solubility product you will get, okay, yes, solubility product you will get 1 raised to 2, 2 raised to 2 means 4. This is s cube. See how easy to find the solubility product. For example, if you take AB2 type, salts, for example, calcium hydroxide. See, this is A, this is B. This is A, this is B. Then x is equals to 1, then B is equals to, y is equals to 2. X is equals to 1, y is equals to 2. Then saying this trick, x 1 raised to 1 into 2 raised to 2, then s is 1 plus 2. That is 4x cube. 4x cube is solubility product of calcium hydroxide is 4x cube moles per liter. Now showing another example, AlOH thrice. Showing another example, AlOH thrice. Then x is equals to 1. This is the x and this is the y. Y is equals to how many? 3. 3 is given. Y. Then seeing the trick, x is equals to 1 means 1 raised to 1 into y is 3 raised to 3. S is s into 1 plus 3. That is 27. 3 raised to 3 means 27. S 4. Right? S4. Then K solubility product is equals to 27 S4. The aluminum AlOH thrice is solubility product is 27 S4 moles per liter. Moving to the trick 2. If solubility product is given, if the solubility product is given, to find solubility. See, trick 2 is, if solubility product is given, we should find the solubility. For example, I am giving the example. Question is, the solubility product of AgCl is 10 raised to minus 10. The solubility product of CaF2 is 4 into 10 raised to minus 12. Right? We should find which salt has more solubility in water. The question is, which salt has more solubility in water? We should find which salt has more solubility in water. See, take solubility product is equals to, already you know the, see I am finding the AgCl. AgCl means gives Ag plus Cl minus, right? Then S, here S means solubility product is S square, right? S square. S is equals to, solubility is equals to root of solubility product. Here, what is given? Solubility product is 10 raised to 10 root of 10 raised to minus 10, that is 10 raised to minus 5 moles per liter. See, you got the solubility product of AgCl. Now moving to the solubility product of CaF2 is Ca2 plus 2F minus, right? Ca2 plus 2F minus. You will get here the solubility product is, already you have solved, solubility product is here S, here S, here means 2S, then you will get 4S cube. 4S cube, then we should find the solubility S is equals to root of 4 solubility product by 4 cube root, right? 4 cube root. Substituting the value of solubility product is given 4 into 10 raised to 12 cube root of 4 into 10 raised to 12 divided by 4. 4 get cancelled, 3 ones are 3 4s are. You will get 10 raised to minus 4. 10 raised to minus 4 moles per liter. See, the solubility product of CaF2 is, right? Solubility product of CaF2 is 10 raised to minus 4. What is the given question is, which salt has more solubility in water? Solubility in water is AgCl. Understood? Moving to the last trick 3. Trick 3 is, if any of the common ion, added, solubility of salt decreases. That is, decreases. See, trick 3 is, if any of the common ion added, solubility salt decreases. For example, you should take here 2 beakers are there. See, this is AgCl salt. We have added here also AgCl salt is added. If you added the common ion here, if you added Ag plus, here if you added Cl minus, then it is because AgCl solid plus water gives Ag plus of Cl minus, right? Ag plus of Cl minus. It forms a PPT. What is given? If any of the common ion added, solubility of a salt decreases. If suppose in the beaker, if you added the common ion Ag plus, that is the common ion, that is the salt is decreases. According to Le-Chatelier's principle, if any one of the product side increases, if any one of the product size increases, according to Le-Chatelier's principle, if any one of the product side is increased, it shifts in the backward direction. The PPT is solubility shift in the backward direction, means this direction. directly it shifts in the backward direction. Therefore, solubility decreases. See, once again I will repeat, according to the Le-Chatelier's principle, if any one of the product side, if any one of the, suppose Ag or this one, if any one of the product side is increases, it shift in the backward direction or it shift in the reverse direction. So it shift in the backward direction, therefore solubility decreases. Because it is insoluble salt, we are using the insoluble salt. This is insoluble salt, because to find how much it is going to dissolve in the water. As I said in trick 3, if any one of the common ion is added to the solubility product, the salt decreases. See, seeing this question, the solubility product of AgCl is 10 raised to minus 10. Calculate solubility of AgCl in pure water A. B is calculate solubility in 0.1 m AgNO3. See, for AgCl, 0.1 m of AgNO3 is added to the solution. See, first you should find the solubility product. As we know that AgCl gives rise to Ag plus of Cl minus. Then suppose yes, this is yes, this is yes, then is equals to S square. Then S is equals to root of solubility product is equals to, given solubility product is 10 raised to minus 10. Now moving to the B. Calculate the solubility in 0.1 m AgNO3. See, AgNO3, right? AgNO3 is given, gives to Ag plus of NO3 minus, right? Ag plus of NO3 minus. How many molar is concentration is given? 0.1 molar here, then 0.1 here, 0.1. At initial you can, this is given at initial. See, if AgCl gives Ag plus Cl minus, suppose it is S1, then if Ag plus, common ion you should take, common ion. See, Ag plus, this is also Ag plus. So, Ag plus is equals to S1 plus 0.1. S1 plus 0.1. See, we should find Ag plus AgCl, solubility product is equals to Ag plus of Cl minus, right? Solubility product is given 10 raised to minus 10. Ag plus is, as I said, S1 plus 0.1. S1 plus 0.1. Here Cl minus is S1. Here Cl minus is S1. Right? If it is soluble in water, it is negligible. S1 is negligible, then 0.1 into S1, 10 raised to minus 10. Right? S1 is equals to 10 raised to minus 10 by 0.1. The answer is 10 raised to minus 9. 10 raised to minus 9 moles per liter. From verifying the answer from here to here, it is important, because already is given that the value of AgCl in the is 10 raised to minus 10. What I said in the trick, if the common ion is added to the solution, the salt decreases. If you see this, so I have neglected this one, S1. If you see this 10 raised to minus 9, this is 10 raised to minus 10, then if you added the common ion in the solution, the salt decreases. I think you can easily understand. Now moving to the second question, that is the solubility of AgCl with solubility product is given is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 10 in 0.1 m NaCl. Now first the solubility product is given Ksp is equals to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 10. This is given. This is already given. We should find the same salt is given. As I said in the previous question, that is AgCl gives rise to Ag plus of Cl minus. This is S, this is S, this is S. That is given. What is that? The 0.1 m of Na solution is added to the solution. So we should find NaCl. NaCl gives Na plus of Cl minus. Na plus of Cl minus. The concentration is 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. Now given is Ksp is equals to, means solubility product is equals to Ag plus of Cl minus, right? The common ion is here Cl minus, here also Cl minus. If you add for Cl minus is equals to S plus of 0.1, correct? Ag plus is yes, here Cl minus is S plus 0.1. As I said, it should be neglected in previous question. If you neglected this S, so you will get 0.1 into S. The given K solubility product is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 10. The given solubility product is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 10. If you take this, S is equals to, I will write here, S is equals to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 10, right? That is 0.1. Then the value is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 9 moles per liter. Yes. As I said in the trick 3, if the common ion is added to the solution, the salt is decreases. The molar concentration is decreases. So the S value is 10 raised to minus 10. The given solubility product is 10 raised to minus 10. Here 10 raised to minus 9. Then the option is this one. Likely you can solve the number of problems by using the tricks. If you want to get the chemical equilibrium videos, I have given the description in the link. You can go through the link. So if you want to get the more videos about the tricks, you can like, subscribe my channel and share.